Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Card Club. Just with a few things. You know what day of the week it is? It's Free Stuff Friday. So I just want to talk to you about a few things to get for free. I know that I've been a little slacking on my Macking. This video is kind of not really going to be edited too much, so I'm going to try to get it as quickly to you and straightforward as I can. But definitely make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to all my channels so you can follow me. Because sometimes I don't really post here. I do usually post on like my Instagram or my Snapchat first. And sometimes the videos don't actually make it here to YouTube, but that's okay. It's no worries. You know, we eventually get it all. But I did definitely wanted to discuss. I was in like one of these groups on Facebook, and one of the ladies had posted about where she can get food or personal essential cleaning supplies for herself. There are a few places that you can do this at. One of them, like places that you can definitely do it, is if you have like a local church that does give out, that does have the days of the week where they have food pantry. Some of them do also give out personal essential feminine products and minimal cleaning supplies. So you can definitely check that out there. So that's one of those places that do offer that for you. They do supply it because of the situation that's happening in the world. We're not going to call it by name, but definitely you can check out the churches. Another way you can get free stuff, of course, is emailing or writing to cleaning supply companies, just letting them know your story. Hey, blah blah blah, I'm a single mom right now, I can't really afford it, this is my situation, da da da, could you send a free sample? Sometimes what they do is they'll send like the little sample packages, or they'll even send coupons to you. So in the event that you do have the money or partially of the money to pick up those products, you can just at a discounted rate. So definitely do that as well. Another thing that you can do to get free stuff in general is find local Facebook groups that have like local things in your area. So for example, I used to live in the Bronx. So I used to be in this Bronx free stuff or free giveaway free stuff group. And throughout the group, people just say, hey, listen, I got a bunch of this. I got diapers that I don't need anymore. I have this that I don't use, or different things. And you communicate with people, you set up meetings, and you pick up the free stuff. You don't pay for it. And it's just like a fair trade. There's no issues. I haven't heard anything crazy happen to anybody. But do also be cautious and careful, because you are meeting up with a complete stranger when you're doing these things, because they're not actually monitored. So you do have to be careful and conscious of all the people that you're going to, interact with while doing this. So those are like the three main places that you can get free cleaning supplies, personal essential items, and definitely food, to get if you can't provide it, you can't afford it. I definitely think that these are good ways to make sure that you get the things that you need, even in a time like this. If you feel that you have any questions, make sure that you send them to me or place them down below in the comments, and I will definitely answer them for you. And I hope you beautiful people have a great day. So I will see you soon. Bye.